If you're looking for a low maintenance lawn, then synthetic turf is the answer. It can take your space from this to this. Hi, I'm Jackson and this is how to lay synthetic turf. Let's get into it. First up, you'll want to measure the area where you plan to lay the turf. Grab your measuring tape and jot down the length and width. Synthetic turf comes in rolls, so you'll need these measurements to calculate how much turf you'll need. Be sure to add a bit extra to allow for trimming. Next, prepare the area by removing any existing grass or weeds, like what we've done here. If there are any large rocks or roots, make sure to dig them out as this will ensure a smooth surface for your new turf. Now is a good time to check for any low or high spots in your soil and level these out. You can use a rake to spread and even out the soil. Once the area is level, it's time to add the base layer. You'll want a bed of 60 to 70 millimeters of crushed rock or gravel, then 20 millimeters of crusher dust on top. Spread the crushed rock evenly across the area using a rake and a soil spreader. Then, lightly water the base to dampen. No need to soak it. Followed by using a compactor to pack it down firmly. This base will help with drainage and ensure a smooth finish for the turf. Once the base is compacted, spread a 20 millimeter layer of crusher dust across the entire area. Lightly water it, wait for about 10 minutes, and then compact it again. With your base prepared, it's time to unroll your synthetic turf. Start by laying it out over the prepared area, making sure the grain of grass is facing the same direction, which will help give it a natural look. You may need to cut pieces to fit your space. A sharp utility knife will do the trick nicely. To join multiple pieces of turf, you'll lay synthetic joining tape to secure them together. Fold the joins back and lay out the joint tape. Slowly fold back the edges, pushing firmly down onto the tape, making sure no grass strands get stuck onto the tape. Press down firmly, then roll over the join using a synthetic turf join roller. Let the adhesive set for the recommended time to ensure a strong bond. Next, secure the turf to the ground with turf pegs or U-shaped nails. Start at one end and work your way around the perimeter, spacing them about 300 millimeters apart. Hammer them in just below the level of the turf fibers so they're not visible but still holding everything securely. To finish off, grab a stiff bristled broom and brush the turf to make the fibers stand up. Then, spread an even layer of synthetic turf sand across the entire area using approximately 4 to 5 kilos of sand per square meter. After spreading the sand, brush it into the turf. This will help the fibers stand upright and look more natural. The sand also weighs the turf down, supports the fibers and reflects sunlight, helping to keep the lawn area cool. And there you have it, green synthetic turf that looks great all year round with minimal maintenance. If you liked this video, make sure to check out our other instructional guides. We've got plenty of DIY advice online to help tackle your next project with confidence.